Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix headset mic not working on Windows 10. First method is change privacy and security settings. Second method is change microphone settings. Third method is add input device. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.